Today we are going to make Play-Doh. I'm going to set up my camera right here in my kitchen. And I have a pot, and I'm going to be putting my ingredients for Play-Doh in here. To start off with, we are going to put 1 cup of flour. Measure out 1 cup of flour. Let's see, is that to the 1 cup? 1 cup of flour, I'm putting it in my pan.
Yeah.
Our next ingredient is going to be 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar. This is called cream of tartar. I'm going to do 2 teaspoons. 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar. Next, we are going to need, let's see, we are going to need 1/2 cup of salt. This is salt, and we are going to need 1/2 cup. Let me open up the salt. And I'm going to pour till I get to 1/2 cup, which is 4 ounces. Let's see. Almost there. Four ounces is 1/2 cup. I'm going to pour it in. Our next ingredient. 2 packets of Kool-Aid, and I'm going to do cherry red Kool-Aid so we can have some red Play-Doh today. Pour it in my pan. 2 packets of Kool-Aid. I'm going to stir it around. I'm going to kind of show you what it's looking like here. Let's see here. These are all my dry ingredients. I'm going to give it a little stir. Okay, those are my dry ingredients. Next, I'm going to start adding my wet ingredients. I have 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. Vegetable oil only. If you use olive oil, it might not make your color bright and red. So we want to use regular vegetable oil. 1 teaspoon. Pouring it in. And last, we are going to do 1 cup of water. I'm going to go to my sink and fill it up with 1 cup of water.
Looking pretty good.
Okay. See, I got it up to the 1 cup line. 1 cup of water. Pouring it in. What color are we seeing? It looks like it's going to be turning red. Now, I am going to turn my stove on, and I'm going to put it on, I'm going to put it on medium heat. And I'm going to stir and stir, and I'm going to cook it over medium heat. Mixing all my ingredients. Let's see if I can set my phone somewhere so you can watch.
I can hold it.
Just stirring my ingredients. I'm going to put it right here. So when you're cooking Play-Doh on the stove, usually a grown-up has to help.
Yeah.
But that's what makes our Play-Doh really soft, is when we cook it on the stove. So I'm just going to keep cooking it over medium heat until it starts forming a ball like Play-Doh. It's not quite ready yet. I will show you as I am stirring it what it's looking like. Because it still needs time to cook.
Yeah, really gooey.
It's still gooey. Show you guys what it's looking like. See, very gooey. Does this look like Play-Doh yet? No, I think it's too runny. I think we need to cook it longer. We're going to keep stirring it for a few minutes. While we're stirring it, though, we can sing a song while we're stirring it. How about the ABCs? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Let's take a look and see how the Play-Doh's doing. You know, it's starting to get thicker. It's still pretty gooey, though. A little more stirring. Let's see if we can count to 20. Let's see if we can count to 20 while we are stirring our Play-Doh. And see if it'll be done by then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Look at this. It is, I'm going to show you guys, it is almost forming into Play-Doh. Almost. Very close. Very close. Do you think it's going to be hot when it's done? Do you think it will be hot? I think it will be very, very hot. So, it's formed into a big ball. This is what we want it to look like. So I'm going to turn off the heat, and I'm going to put it in a separate bowl, one that's not hot. Here is my separate bowl. I'm going to move our Play-Doh to the kitchen table now, so we can work on mixing it. Okay. I'm going to put it in the bowl.
Is it hot?
It is still a little bit hot, so I'm going to be very, very careful. And I'm going to mix it and knead it. Play-Doh needs lots of mixing and kneading.
Not hot at all.
And now we have Play-Doh. Play-Doh you can make at home. And it smells like cherries. It smells like cherries.
It's not a koolaid cherry.